Hello. So today we will discuss about the Selenium Manager in Selenium 4. Okay, so if you are using the latest version of Selenium WebDriver, you may heard about the Selenium Manager concept. So what benefits it is giving? Okay, so let me go to IDE and let me start explaining why we need Selenium Manager. What is this? Okay, so if you want to launch your browser, navigate to some website and perform some action, so you may need to perform some typical steps, right? So let's say, like, if you want to run your test in Chrome, you will write like this one, new ChromeDriver. Okay, so this will create a Chrome instance. Then we have to set the driver exe also. Okay, if you are using Chrome, you have to download exe also. Let's say current version of Chrome which is installed in my system is 138. Okay, Chrome version. So we have to download the Chrome exe also, which is supporting this browser version, and that we have to put it in the path. Okay, that's we are doing from the long time, and we have to set this parameter using system.setProperty. Again, tomorrow if the browser is upgraded, again I need to download this chrome.exe, ChromeDriver.exe. I need to put it here. So this is continuous efforts. We have to do the maintenance. Okay, and then we will maximize the browser, navigate to website, perform some action. Okay, login flow, we will do the testing, and we will close the browser. So that is typical flow. Okay, but with now in the latest version of Selenium WebDriver, I think it started from Selenium 4, and in Selenium 11 you have a stable, fully implemented Selenium Manager like Chrome for testing, everything. Okay, so I will suggest to use the 4.11 and above version of Selenium WebDriver to use this feature. So I'm using 4.32, which is almost latest. So what benefit we are getting? I don't need to write like this one now. I can skip this step. So what Selenium will do, Selenium, when we call new ChromeDriver, it will internally use the Selenium Manager concept. Okay, so if you see on the documentation also, Selenium Manager beta now, okay, so in this one, this is a command line tool actually. Okay, it is a command line tool which is implemented in a Rust. Okay, Rust is another language. Command line tool is implemented in this language, and this provide two features. One is automated driver. Driver means ChromeDriver.exe, and even browser also for testing. So even if you don't have browser installed in your system, you don't have ChromeDriver, Selenium will take care of it. Okay, Selenium will take care of it. And if you scroll down little bit, like we have good documentation here, and you will see the Chrome for testing as of 4.11. okay, so 4.11 onwards this Chrome for testing is available. If I click here, so what is happening? Okay, so stable means the version which is available to public. Okay, so if I download latest version of Chrome, it will download the stable actually. And if I check my version also, it should be 138, right? Okay, and the beta means those are in beta actually, upcoming, and this is in a development, but still we can use it for the testing purpose. We can use this version also for testing purpose with the help of Chrome for testing. So Selenium Manager will take care of this. So the benefit is you don't need manual setup now. Okay, with the help of Selenium Manager. So version stability. So if you want to run your test always in specific version, you can do that. Okay, we'll see that example also, how to do that. And automatic capability. So always Selenium Manager will download the compatible version. Okay, and whenever you are offline, let's say I run the test in 139. Okay, using Selenium Manager concept or using Selenium WebDriver latest version. So what Selenium does, it download that Chrome exe, it put into cache folder. So next time if you are offline also, it will make use of that exe if it is compatible. So we will see now. We just commented this line, and let's see how it run. So it launched the browser, and this is my normal browser which is installed in my system. So if I go to about us also, I'll see version 138. Okay, it is using version 138. Okay, this is what by default Selenium will take the version, because I created new ChromeDriver instance. Now I want to use some different version. So how we can do that? Okay, let's say I want to use version 139, which is not installed in my system. Okay, which is not installed in my system. So for that, I'll create Chrome options equal to new Chrome option, and inside this option we can set browser version. Okay, inside this we can set browser version. So we created Chrome options, right? So Selenium will download this version automatically with the help of Selenium Manager. So what this will do, it will check, okay, do you have this browser version installed in system? No, it will download at runtime on the fly, and it will download the ChromeDriver exe also compatible. So when this happen, like it happen internally when you create new ChromeDriver. So internally it check all the things. Do you have the browser? Do you have the ChromeDriver exe? If it is not, it download and it run your test case in that browser. And we will see also it is called as Chrome for testing. Okay, these versions which we are using, we call it as Chrome for testing. And if you see in browser also, it shows Chrome for testing version 139 is only for automated testing. Okay, so it clearly says that message also. Okay, that's how, like, now it downloaded 139 browser also, which is not installed in my system. It run the test case and it closed the browser. See how it is now. So lots of manual efforts are reduced now. Okay, let me go and check for canary also. So if I put this version and run my test case. Okay, why it is taking time now? Because I have never run in this version, so this version is not available in my system somewhere. Okay, so first time it will take a time. You see now 140 it is using, so it took some time because it downloaded that Chrome browser driver file also, and it is executing the test case. So next time now if I run in same browser version, it will not take a time. And even tomorrow this version is available in my local, like 140. Tomorrow if my version in the local machine get upgraded to 141, so my version will be stable. It will always run in this version 140, and if I need to change it, I can upgrade it also. Okay, so that's the benefit of using the Chrome for testing, and this is the very good feature released by Selenium, and this is available for other browsers also. So if I go here and go to documentation, so even if I have Firefox or Edge also, we can use that one. Okay, so anyway, like make sure, like if you are using Firefox, public Firefox release, if you want to test in that, you should have Selenium 4.12 and upper version like 4.13, 14. Okay, so these are the options are available. And here good documentation is given. What is mean as stable means current version, beta means next version to stable. Okay, dev means version in development at the moment, and so all these things are there. So if you have Edge also, you can use Edge also, Firefox also. Okay, and there are lots of options available. Okay, which we can pass through the CLI also, Chrome browser options. Okay, so I hope like this video is useful, and now you understood like what is Chrome for testing and what is the use of Selenium Manager. Okay, so if you have not yet upgraded to the 4.11, so I will suggest you to upgrade to latest version and make a use of this Selenium Manager concept.